part of me is like, oh my gosh, what have I purchased? Day one has already been a little crazy. Welcome to homeownership. All right, as you can see, the DIY on this condo has already begun. And before this place turns into a bunch of ladders and paint rollers and paint cans, I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about what I have in my mind for this space. So with this space, I'm going to be putting a nice couch right along here and a coffee table and then a nice Moroccan rug that I've ordered that is white with some nice texture to it. It's so beautiful. And then I'm going to have some nice ladder shelving here, and that's going to give so much purpose to these tall ceilings because they're just going to tie in and carry your eye up so that these concrete ceilings really get to stand out. And then the nice TV stand, and then you would come over here to the dining room. And that's what you kind of get used to with a condo complex, is that all of your rooms are just right here next to each other. And I really like that, but you know, that means that we have to really take advantage of every corner possible and use it to our advantage. So we're gonna have the dining table here with some chairs and seating around it, and then a nice Sputnik light chandelier will come down over the dining table. And then this wall I'm still envisioning. I haven't quite figured out from my sketches what I'm gonna do with this wall. It's either gonna be a coffee bar or maybe a place for my desk. I'm still trying to think about this wall. So this is a work in progress. But what I am wanting to do is I'm wanting to do some black accent walls. So this wall I'm thinking is gonna be black, and then the cutout under here with the island is gonna be black. And then the wall as you come in through the front door is gonna be black as well. And my thought process with this in my drawings is that all the walls facing toward us will have this black look to it that will contrast so nice with the ultra white walls. So once we get rid of this grayish tone on the walls and replace it with that bright white, it's gonna play off so nicely with the black accents. So we have a lot of painting to do. Gotta get after it. Just a city, that's downtown Atlanta off in the distance. And you got Buckhead buildings off to the right. So nice. All right, now we're gonna make some celebratory drinks for my new condo. So we got some tangerine Italian soda from Whole Foods. Ooh la la. We hear that sound? That is good. So you're gonna add some tangerine to your glasses. Look at that sparkle. But wait, it gets better, guys. It gets better. So once you've put your orange frost in there, your orange goodness, you're gonna add some grenadine to the top. Watch the swirl, watch it. It's gonna be amazing. Here, we gotta get down low so you see the swirl happen. Oh, you see that swirl? That is the beautiful perfection of orange and grenadine. I know you don't have as much in yours. I need to top you off over there. That is the beautiful perfection of orange and grenadine. There you go. Cheers to home ownership. Guys, I am used to going down to the lobby at my old apartment complex and waiting for my Uber order on the street for it to arrive. But at my new condo that I just purchased, there's a concierge, a 24-hour concierge, and I went down there, and first off, they called me ma'am, and he told me, are you getting a food delivery? And I said, yes, I am. And he says, well, you don't have to wait down here. We'll bring it up to you. And I was like, what? For anybody that has lived in a complex before, you know how amazing it is to have food delivered to your door like a house. So they brought my bar taco up to the door for me, and it was amazing. He had a little suit on and everything. It was crazy. I feel so fancy. I don't even know what's happening, but bar taco. First dinner in this condo. It smells so good. I can smell the plantains from here.
Ooh.
What's better than that?
I know. So let's drink our grenadine drinks and celebrate.
Absolutely.
Cheers. Woo. First morning here in Buckhead, living in my new condo. I just can't get over it. It just doesn't even feel real yet, and I still have my Invisaligns in because the teeth have to stay in order. But I'm looking out. It's a little chilly to sit out on the balcony today, but look at that. Day one has already been a little crazy. We cannot get this place to heat up, which is making it where we cannot paint because the paint will bubble because the walls are ice cold. What if this doesn't work and I end up having to replace the heater? On top of that, this morning, I turn on my shower and there's a massive leak coming out of the faucet below on the tub. And it's just been one of those mornings. It's like, oh my gosh, a leak and the heating's not working. It's been a first day, that's for sure. These walls are ice cold, so we have to warm those up and then we can start painting.